Hello, I wanted to do a quick video on this deck box. This is the V3 of the MTG Commander Display deck box Magic the Gathering, made by Cincinatti Squirrel, and it's currently on Makerworld. And as I stated, the V3. I did this in Witchcraft from Cookie CAD because I've done a few different colors and everything's worked great. It uses the 6mm by 3mm magnets that fit perfectly. A little bit of I use Gorilla super glue, but here's an Ultra Pro top loader, and no tightness at all, perfect fit. Here is 100 cards, single sleeved. They go right in, and let's see, let's do something else. So let's grab a little divider I made. Let's add in all the tokens, and there you go. Still got plenty of room for more stuff. This allows for the command zone, so you can put your counters there for your damages based on your life total and maybe what your commander's doing to other people, your other 4 players. You can track them plus your own life, plus whatever damage your commander's doing or somebody else's. You put this in, this one, this isn't going anywhere. It's great, awesome cube, super strong. Love this design, super straightforward, super simple, very nice looking. Not a paid sponsor, and I'm looking to pay this creator and recommending commercial licensing. That's how well this print is and how perfect it is for holding your cards. And this could be used for Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh or anything. So it's great. One more thing, even with this out, your cards don't fall out without the top loader because it does have this nice lip to keep things out. Some of these boxes that are 3D printed, the top loader is the wall that keeps things out from falling out, and that is not the case with this. This is just a nice to have so that you can see your commander. All right. Love it, love it, love it. More to come, hopefully, from Cincinatti Squirrel with some added designs, possibly. He does have a store on, where is that? Etsy, I believe. So you can see that from his profile in Maker's World. All right. Thanks, everybody.